Welcome everybody and welcome to my new YouTube channel. Welcome to Dragon3DDev channel. This is my development channel where I'm going to talk about games, making games and everything what's to do with game development. As you guys can hear, I'm not a native English speaking guy. I'm a Dutch guy that is learning how to build games, and I'm trying to start a new project in my life, and that's making a YouTube channel where I'm gonna create stuff with Unreal Engine, maybe in the future Unity and some other game development systems. For now, I'm only an Unreal Engine developer. I'm still learning one though, still learning a lot of stuff, new stuff. I'm just starting to do this seriously since a couple of weeks now. And for now, yeah, that's the thing that I want to do on this channel, to make some cool stuff, some fun stuff, maybe a few tutorials how to make some easy things in Unreal Engine. And that's what I'm going to do on this YouTube channel. What you can more expect on this YouTube channel is me participating in some fun game jams to learn more about Unreal Engine and game development. And what you can more expect is a little bit of the small devlogs of a game that I'm building that's called Project Wild. What you can see now on the behind side of the screen here with my projects. I have one project that's pure for learning if I'm trying to have a new project or a new system that I want to learn and to build. And then you have my Project Wild system, my Project Wild game. I have a Patreon too, where I release all the pre-alpha releases of the game for free. So if you want to guys see what I'm doing there, I can put a link down in the description. I'm gonna put the link of the Discord in the description too for Project Wild, or the Dragon3D interaction. That's the company Discord, so you can join there too and see everything what's happening there. I'm pretty new to the YouTube thing again. For a couple of years ago, I had a pretty decent, good running Dutch YouTube channel. But that went all to the goners when Minecraft was not that popular anymore here in the Netherlands. So yeah, that died down. But for now, I'm gonna try to work on my passion, and that's making games. Some information about me, guys. I'm 30 years old. I live in the Netherlands, and yeah, my greatest passion is doing game development from Monday to Friday. I'm seeing it as my job. I don't know why, but like, if I want to succeed in something, I think I need to see it as my job to do it as frequent and consistent that I'm normally doing. I have ADHD, so my concentration is not always good and always the best. But yeah, that's what I'm going to do in this channel. I'm also going to do like um, some typical developer or game development YouTube channel stuff, and that's like building Rocket League in 24 hours, or building World of Warcraft in a week, or building this in a week. Like those simple YouTube channels that people videos that people always love. Um, the rest what I'm going to do on this YouTube channel is like to show you how my game is working, how my game is going on right now. And that's what I'm going to tell you today too. This is going to be a little bit of an intro video and a devlog #1. And the devlog #1 is only to talk about what I've done for now and what's going to be for the next week's video. For the people that want to know, I'm going to do this 2 times a week. Upload 2 times. That's on Tuesday and Friday. And Tuesday and Friday, I'm gonna on the Tuesday I'm gonna do a devlog portion of the video. So maybe there are 2 videos on Tuesday, or just one if I don't have enough content to do with you guys. Like when the YouTube channel is still starting up, I'm doing a devlog and a little bit of other stuff. And on the Friday, it's gonna be a complete separate video. Maybe doing something with Unreal Engine that I've never done before, that I'm gonna learn together with you guys, or I'm just doing a tutorial from how to build a sample main menu screen. This screen has still a in editor error. This is only in editor. If I build this and make this a releasable game, then there is no error, so I can show you guys too. Let me get that up for you guys for a second. Unreal projects. If I'm going to like if I start it up like this, so you guys can see it's the same build, but without some other stuff. You guys see the play and exit. If I exit the game here, there will be no Windows error or something else in there. So it's only a editor build error because it's giving me an error that the camera needs to have some moving components in it, and I'm just using my own character component in this that I just built. It's the player start, and it has his own player component in it. So yeah. So let's talk a little bit about Project Wild, what it's going to be, and what my goal is with Project Wild. Yeah, Project Wild is going to be a survival game with some pretty cool functions in it, pretty cool like playability stuff in it, like a level system like Minecraft, but not like Minecraft. It's more like you can see it like a MMORPG leveling system. It will allow you to get some skills, get more building recipes, like Ark, what you have in Ark, get more item recipes, but get skill recipes too, because skills are going to be a system in it too that you can have faster mining, faster building, faster killing, higher attack damage, more health, more stamina, more you can last longer with less health or less hunger. The hunger to health regeneration, like now if you have 15% hunger, the health will go down, but it can go to 10% or 5%. So there will be a skill system in it too. Still need to build that, so that's not like what's in it right now, but that's what the goal with what's the goal with in it is multiple dimensions in feature updates. For now, I'm gonna start with one build, and that's one world, and then in features update there will be a lot of content added. If there is something I hate with the games that are released now, they are all early access. Okay, my game is gonna be early access too, but like the early access that the normal developers are now releasing, the games are is with like the games are hardly done. There's no storyline in it. If there is a storyline in the game, they finish it like 50%. Um, the content is minimal, like you have maybe 6 or 7 items, a playable world, playable systems, but like the game is not done yet. That's why I'm releasing the pre-alphas for free. The pre-alphas are like the early access build that normal developers releasing now. And the pre-alphas for me are just like releasing the systems that I have made, and to see for you guys to check it out and to see what you can do with it and what do I need to fix. For now, the first pre-alpha release that I released, wait, let me get Chat GPT away because I have dyslexia. I use my Chat GPT to make my messages on Patreon a little bit professional without my dyslexians in it. But yeah, like this is what I made with my with Chat GPT to give me a professional looking week 2 dev stuff in it. But like on the Patreon, you can check. Yeah, you can see everything here, but I don't give a crap about it though. If you see the values and everything, if I made any money, but like what I was talking about, like the pre-release files of version 00.01. You can check the files here, and you can download it just from our system drive off, and you can play what we have right now. That's what I'm gonna show you now too. The basic what I released. So I'm gonna start it up. Like this is where we started with week 1. Week 1 was without the inventory system, just the moving system and everything else. This is what we had. a second ago or like a week ago. This was my first pre-release build, pre-alpha build. Like we have the moving system. It's all basic Unreal Engine stuff, and with except like the tab button, like if you have the exit button, the pause screen with the main menu and exit game. It's on the tab button on this release, so if you download it, it's a tab button. It's not the escape button. In the next build, it will be the escape button, and so you can see this will work. If you go to the main menu and everything else, you can go to the exit game. What we have now, I'm gonna put it on a different launcher. I have it already here. If we press it now, it's still on 001, but you can ignore that. If we press play, we have the health system, the hunger system. We have a small inventory system that you can open with tab. I'm working on the chest system. I have the chest system. I thought I fucked it up, but it worked. I still need to make it closable. I did not know I fixed this though, but like we now have, if you open the E system, you can open the thing, your chest system. The reason why it's stopping every time because I don't have like the escape button is on there. We have an inventory system that works perfectly though. Not perfectly, but it works like you have one apple. That's one perfect apple. You can drag and drop it and you can stop that though. That's what we have right now. Our goal now is to finish the inventory system to make it a little bit more subtle and smooth moving and let it work normally. So that's our goal for the next thing. So you see, this is what we have now. I can open like the our main level, so you can see I'm using the Unreal Engine basic stuff for now to build everything, the basic stuff on it, and the basic map I'm building it on here to make the developer launch. Our next release that I'm putting up to download will have a basic level in it. A map with a mountain, a map with trees, a map with a crafting system in it, so you can build your chest. So you can build a chest here, and the chest is all made with Quixel Bridge. The Quixel Bridge, you can go here. The Quixel Bridge, you can download assets to help you develop stuff. And for now, we're going to use the Quixel Bridge chest. It's all free to use, even for like if you release games and you're gonna earn money with it. You can use it. So I'm gonna use a lot of Quixel Bridge in the first parts of the game to make the basic stuff in it. The reason why I'm making this video is because like I want to have more player input on it. The YouTube videos. That's why I wanna, for everybody that's watching this, I wanna invite you to my Discord channel, because we now have 4 members on it for the on the Discord, and one of my members told me like, if you wanna play the game, there are a lot of bugs in it, of course, but is there a way if you go out of the map, what happens then? If you're gonna play the first part of my game, there's no way if you go out of the map, you can respawn. But for now, thanks to him, there's a you died screen and everything else. You can respawn, and then you respawn here, and you can go back to main menu, like the same here, and you can exit the game, of course, and then you have that error again, but you can ignore it. But like that's what we have right now, and that's what I want to do every Tuesday. Like every Tuesday, I want to make a video. What changed in the game? On what build version are we, and what can we do now, and is there a new download link available? So that's the goal on the Tuesday videos. On the on the Friday videos, I wanna make some new stuff, some new cool stuff. Maybe work on a new project like a Vexo or a Diablo clone look-alike, something like that, or a Rocket League clone like that, because I have a lot of ideas. I have maybe another game in my head to build, but that's I'm not gonna focus on after I'm done with Project Wild. But yeah, that's a little bit what we're gonna do on this YouTube channel. If you have any ideas for the Thursday video, I can make and start a tutorial video for how to make the basic stuff in Unreal Engine. The things that I understand very, very clearly now on Unreal Engine. If you want to have some explanations on some stuff, you can ask me in the description or on the Discord from Dragon3D Interactive. Um, let's make some fun, and let's make let's make some fun YouTube videos on it. And yeah, let's do it. And if you want to see some progress though on how I build this, just tell me to do stuff and how I'm learning it, because I'm still learning game development. Just to be clear here, on this first year of this YouTube channel, you see stuff in this game that I'm still learning to build myself. That's something I really want to I really want to say right here. I don't know the English word for it, but like, it's really important for you guys to know I'm not a professional game developer. I'm not a professional developer in Unreal Engine or Unity or anything else. The only thing I'm pretty decent in is in 5M development, making 5M servers and everything else like that. But this is the first time I'm taking this really, really seriously to build my own game and start to learn new stuff every single day. Not in the weekends, but like Monday to Friday. I really want to learn new stuff. So what you guys see that I built is more likely with the YouTube videos that I watch, the books that I read, more listen to because of the dyslexia, of course, and more like the things that I want to in the game, and that's the first things I've learned. So that's why I'm starting the Friday video ideas on to learn separate things that I can use maybe later as experience to do too. Like everything I've learned, I can learn new, and that's the thing that I really like. And you don't have to go to school to learn these things, if you know what I mean. You can learn it yourself, and that's what I want to give you. That's something that I really want to give you with though. Like if you really want to learn something, take your time on it and learn with it. And maybe at the end of the day, we have a pretty cool game that we built together. It's gonna be Project Wild. It's not gonna be the end name; it's the project name. Because I think if you call your game something with Wild, gorillas will come to you and say that's not possible. But like, Project Wild's our project name, and let's see how we can get it there. As long as the pre alpha goes, the game will be called Project Wild. After the pre alpha, and we have a Steam wishlist and everything else, it will have its own name. If you have a cool thing, we will have a competition. So what we will call the game, and after that we will see what we're gonna do. For now, I want to ask you if you want to be a part of this journey to learn how to game development together, and if you want to see how Project Wild is turning up and how we build it and how the progress will be from scratch, exactly like this, scratch to a released game, because that's the goal at the end of the my goal at the end of the day, to release my first game, Project Wild, as an indie developer and as a game lover. To release Project Wild, if you really want to see how this is going to turn up, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you Friday on the first video that I really need to think about what we're going to do. But I'm going to think we're going to do a simple tutorial for you guys to work on yourself, to make a game together, and learn you guys how to build a game too. I want to say thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and I will see you later. Peace out.